Good day, crypto enthusiasts. I'm excited to talk with you about an impressive crypto trading platform that's been getting a lot of attention lately. But first, please do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. You definitely don't want to miss any of my future crypto tips and insights. Alright, let's jump in. We all know that crypto trading is quite the journey. The markets never stop. There are countless coins out there, and trying to keep up with everything can feel overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. But don't stress, because I have the ideal solution for you: a crypto trading platform like Kichōna Vaultra. This AI-powered trading assistant is a total game changer. It's far more than a simple auto trading tool. It's like having your own crypto guide by your side, helping you sharpen your strategies and gain insights that are truly remarkable. And here's the exciting part: you can start enjoying these advantages right away. Kichōna Vaultra. Halal is giving out 300 free registration spots, but they're getting claimed quickly. I placed the official link in the description below. Grab your slot now, but stay with me. I'm about to share some game-changing features you don't want to miss. So what makes Kichōna Vaultra stand out? Firstly, it's extremely user-friendly. We're talking about a clean interface that works across all devices and is fully web-based, so you can access it anywhere you have internet. But it's more than just a nice-looking dashboard. This bot is incredibly smart too. It uses advanced AI, technology, and algorithms to study the markets, spot trends, and deliver detailed analysis to level up your trading. And here's another major plus: it adjusts to your experience. Whether you're a total beginner or a skilled trading veteran, the settings can be tailored completely to you, and you can test everything risk-free in demo mode before trading live. But even that isn't the only highlight. Kichōna Vaultra supports all the major cryptocurrencies. You know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and more. Registering an account with Kichōna Vaultra Halal is simple. Just head to their website. Set up your account by entering your basic details: name, email, ID, phone number, which takes around 2 minutes. Deposit a minimum of €250 to activate your account, and you're good to go. There are zero deposit or withdrawal fees, and you maintain full control over your funds at all times. They provide strong security with advanced encryption, and you can choose whichever payment method suits you: debit, credit, or even crypto. It's entirely up to you. Now, before I wrap up, I need to give you a friendly warning. As with any well-known trading platform, there will always be shady lookalikes and scammers trying to ride the wave. I've already seen a bunch of fake Kichōna Vaultra Halal copies appearing, claiming big promises, but really just trying to steal your hard-earned money. So listen carefully. I repeat, do not fall for any of those scams. They're simply not worth the trouble or risk. The only legitimate source for Kichōna Vaultra is the official website. And of course, I've dropped that link in the description below. Use that link, and only that link, to create your account. Don't let scammers ruin the experience for you. Once you're set up, just tell the bot how much assistance you want, and let it do its thing, analyzing markets, executing trades, and giving you a real advantage with its powerful analysis tools. This platform is a complete game changer, whether you're a brand new crypto beginner or an experienced trading pro. So if you're ready to start making solid profits, click the link in the description below and begin trading today. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Hit that like button to show some support, and get ready to watch those profits start coming in. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.